everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Elle. Happy Thanksgiving. How are you guys doing today? It is Thanksgiving today, and I thought I would share with you a bedroom makeover for the holidays. I recently did a makeover on my channel, but I knew those were just placeholders because I wanted to do something special for the Christmas time, for the holiday season, a little bit of glam, a little bit of bling. And yes, indeed, I hope I do bring that to you. So it'll be a series of my bedroom, living room, but today I am bringing you the bedroom. So yes, I truly do hope that you are happy and blessed today. And if you are feeling happy and blessed, please share that, continue to share that. We need it. Need to let people know that they matter and how important they are. Please be encouraged. Please feel loved. Please know that whatever you're going through, that this too shall pass. I promise you. So yes, without further ado, here is the bedroom makeover. So I started off by removing the comforter set, things that are around the bed. This bed cost $900 and it came from New York, Jennifer Convertibles. And it's proven to be a bit difficult because it is heavy and masculine. Reminds me of farmhouse. So I pretty much had to ignore the bed and just bring home pieces like decor and pillows and things that I liked versus trying to do a match to the bed because then I would have just gotten stuck. I did find this bedspread from Bed Bath and Beyond. And yeah, I'm going to keep that. It was $100 and I used my coupon, so I got a pretty good discount. So I'm definitely going to use that. But these pillows are not going to stay. You're going to see me change up a lot of things in here. I'm going to try a lot of things by staging. You know, I love to stage my home and other people's homes. So yeah, these pillows, they didn't work. So you're not going to, didn't make the final cut, guys. So yeah. Um, so let's see. I should have removed the artwork up there and the lamps so I can get a pretty big, better picture. Those things are not going to stay. So a lot of things did go away except for the bed, of course. So yeah, that's a throw that I ended up throwing back. So I'm not going to use that. And then I went ahead and started styling, well, removing, I should say, the things that are on the wall and, you know, putting up the mirrors, the things that I really want. And then I moved into these curtains that I have here. They are from DKNY, $59.99 a piece. 54 by 108 is the length and size. And yeah, two in a pack. They're drapes, I should say. They're not really curtains. And it's a blackout curtains. They're really nice. I did want to get a velvet curtains from Amazon, the cream color, but they were on back order and I really wanted to complete this makeover. So yeah, I'm just putting them up and I'm going to eventually do something with the curtain rod. I'm not going to change it, but I am going to change I guess the stoppers or whatever the knobs at the end. I'm definitely going to change those. And yeah, I just, you know, start fixing these. So I'm going to finish up with these curtains and then I'm going to move into a dresser that I purchased about 2 years ago from Star Furniture out here in Houston, Texas. I decided to go ahead and repaint it. It took me a little while to do it. In the last video, I decided not to paint it, but I said, you know what, for the aesthetic, I'm just go ahead and paint it black and get it over with. I picked up some paint from Hobby Lobby for $2.99, black metallic. And yep, I just started going over it and I had to avoid a specific section. How did you carve that on mommy's dresser?
We found a screw down on it, and I did the heart, Avery did the words, and that's how we did it.
You found a screw and you did that?
No, me and Avery found a screw.
You and Avery found a screw. It wasn't just you. You think that's nice to write on mommy's dresser like that?
Avery did.
What does it say?
I did the heart, Avery did this, and I did this too.
So you think it was cool to write on mommy's dresser?
Because we think that you will read and you will love us.
Okay, I do love it, and that's why mommy's never going to paint over it, okay? And I'm always going to keep this dresser because I love you. Thank you for writing on my dresser. So then I picked up these knobs from Hobby Lobby. They were $9.99 a piece with 50% off. So that was a good deal. I got them for $5. And they weren't my first choice, to be honest. This was the only one that they had 9 of. So there are 9 drawers on this dresser. And they actually fit like a glove going in. The other ones that I had kept falling out. So these worked really well. And then I wanted to, put some flowers in the room to balance out the heaviness of the bed. I thought these were perfect. I picked these up from Michael's. They were $1.99 with 40% off. So it was about maybe $1.10 for each of them. It turned out to be really good. And actually, it was 99 cents for each because I got the coupon. I used a 20% off coupon that I had. So that worked out well. And these are just some baby breath, exaggerated baby breath bulbs. And that's all I'm going to put in. In the summertime, the warmer weather, it's always hot here in Houston, but most of the time it's hot. But in the warmer weather, I'm going to use olive branches. So yeah. And that's pretty much how it looked at the end. I did move it around. And then this lamp, I showed this in my haul. I picked that up from HomeGoods. So you can watch a haul on my channel to see some of the products that I bought for this particular makeover. And I will be sure to put just in the description box some of the pieces that I bought. But most of the things came from HomeGoods. So it's kind of hard to source where the pieces came from if it comes from HomeGoods, because HomeGoods gets things from everywhere. That vase came from HomeGoods. The mirror right there came from Hobby Lobby. The mirror was originally $99 and it was 50% off. So then these vessels here I got from RH for $29.99. That haul is on my channel as well. I picked up 5 of these and I knew that I wanted 3 for this particular dresser. The candle holders were $19.99 from HomeGoods. And then, yep, you can see there on the other side. So you see the room is coming into shape. I'm trying to bring that rugged romance. So that's my aesthetic, rugged romance for this room. And there's the pillows. This is what I finally went with. The haul for these pillows are on my channel. These pillows were a good deal. The smaller ones were $19.99. The bigger ones were $24.99. So none of these were doubled set. Each pillow was $24.99 and $19.99. So yeah, you can see it there. And I always put a crystal and also some candles you'll see in a second. And this is the throw. I picked this up from HomeGoods, $24.99, and they also had one in Burlington. So then I put these, what do you call these things here? Acorns on a string, but I forget the name of it. Garland. That's it, garland. I got these from TJ Maxx. So right now I'm just trying to see what it'll look like before I take off the tag. And I'm just popping them into this bowl to fill it up for the holidays. And when it's not, the holiday time, I'll probably put some olive branches or some kind of branches in it. And yeah, so that's how it's going to look at the end. And I picked up about 5 of those. So yeah, I tried out some different looks before I got it done. So I'm pretty much done with everything. There's a few little things that I threw in here and there that I found later on, like at Ross or HomeGoods, that I added, like a bench. So, yep, it is time to show you how everything turned out. So as this bedroom holiday makeover comes to a close, I do hope you enjoyed it. I will be sure to put the items in the description box along with some of the prices for you. And yes, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It's been a pleasure doing this video for you. Please be safe, stay blessed, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.